This video will show you how to use your TI-Nspire to solve an equation. From your home screen, we are going to open up a new document. Don't save anything. And we are going to add a calculator. Once I am here, you'll see a blank white screen. Go ahead and click on Menu and Algebra, number 3. From here, I want to numerical solve, so I'm going to click on 1, which opens up a screen that looks like this. All you need to do is type your equation in, the whole thing, both sides, and your equal sign. So let's go ahead and type in equation. Okay, there's my equation. 2 times the quantity x minus 4 is equal to 4 times the quantity 2x plus 1. Once you type the equation in, you have to tell your calculator what to solve for. So you're going to type in a comma, which is right here, and I want to solve for x. And we'll close our parentheses. Okay, doesn't matter what letter, what variable is being used in your equation, always type in x and choose your x. Once you have this typed in, you have the equation, you have your comma, and your x. Go ahead and hit enter, and that's all there is to it. The answer, x, equals a -2 in this equation. Okay, it's that easy. Make sure, however, that you're only using this to check your answers. If you don't show work and you only show this answer, that gets 0 credit in my classroom.